The narrow pixel pitch it's a new product right across the market. It's where the AV world meets the out-of-home world, the large format world, and there's a lot of investment going into this product, into this narrow pixel pitch. It's not a market we're venturing into lightly. There's some really tough tolerances we're dealing with this really fine pixel pitch. So to get this product right, we've had to invest a lot of time and a lot of money in our R&D. And it's important to get it right first time for Daktronics. We can't put product out there that's not going to meet the customer's expectations. So for us, it's about that serviceability, to make sure it continues to look good from day one. It's about contrast ratios, make sure the blacks are very black. Brightness, getting the right brightness out of these displays, that's been a real challenge with this narrow pixel pitch. So we're hitting 1500 nits now with our narrow pixel pitch. And then making sure it lasts the test of time is diagnostics. So the way that we can analyze what's going on within the screen remotely, we can correct faults, but we can analyze right down to that LED level. So those are the things that we feel are really important, just to make sure that product's going to last the long term. It's a product that supports the Daktronics Prolink Architecture, and that Prolink Architecture gives us advanced diagnostics, allows us to calibrate to the high levels, allows us to control the display to much more of a granular detail. It's an architecture that we've developed over the years. We started at Prolink 1 back in the day, and we're already at Prolink 6. So as we've developed our LED products, we've also developed our control systems and really the engines that drive those LED screens. So what's most important for us about the Prolink? It's the enhanced calibration capability, it's the enhanced diagnostics, it's HDR content capability. So things that really set us above just the basic industry standard LED solutions. Those are the things that really put Daktronics up where we belong. As we've moved to these very tight resolutions, we take away the capability to use screwdrivers, to use Allen keys, to remove the modules from the display. So we have to look at alternatives. When it goes to those really tight pixel pitches, you need a completely smooth image with no sign of any access or any accessing screws or Allen keys. So we attach them by strong magnets. But you attach that flat panel to a metal case with a strong magnet. How do you get it off? And that's where the challenge becomes, because currently in the marketplace, people are pulling the modules off, they're damaging the LEDs, pulling LEDs off. So we developed this patented tool to actually pull the module away from the cabinet itself, which really is reducing or minimizing to as much as possible the possibility of damaging any LEDs, which is critical for our service partners, but also for our integrators. There are those moments where the customer just loves the product. It works, and it works, and it works every time, and it continues to work, and the customer can get in there, they can service it, and it lasts, and their expectations are met by the customer and the integrator.